Hi guys, my name is Boktir Ahmed Bappi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, there is a great announcement. I think you already know that. So there is a amazing model actually came in the market called DeepSeek R1. So this LLM actually developed by China. Okay, so China actually one of the organization actually they have developed this amazing model and they are actually beating ChatGPT right now. Even they have also mentioned, you can see DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source, revealing OpenAI's Model O1. Okay, and it is available on web as well as the app. So you can also download the app. So this app is available over the Play Store. And trust me, guys, this after releasing this app, actually, this is the most download app. Okay, so far. So this is the most download app. Okay, in a very short period of time. So that's why actually people are worried about actually OpenAI model whether actually they will survive or not in the market. But again guys, we have to wait, we have to see the performance of the DeepSeek. Okay, still it is under development, so it is actually they're maintaining their website. So once it would be completely available, so people will be using and definitely they will put their feedback, okay, whether this model is good than the chat gpt or not. But again, so far whatever actually research, whatever let's say experiment I saw so far, so I can say this is the best model, okay, as an open source. Because if I'm talking about chat gpt like OpenAI, this OpenAI model, so these model are actually paid one, so you have to pay for that. But on the other hand, this DeepSeek R1 is completely free, you don't need to pay for that. So this is the most powerful actually open source model so far. Okay, like free model so far. That means if you want to use any kinds of LLM model, if you want to perform some amazing task, okay, if you want to perform some complex task, so this model is very powerful and free. Okay, you can use it. And another thing, I think you already know that this model actually trained with like very less amount of money. Like they have, I think, trained this model, I think less than $6 million. But on the other hand, if I'm talking about OpenAI model or let's say any other Google model, so they have spent actually billions of dollars, okay, to train these kinds of large language model. But right now, DeepSeek is telling they have spent actually less than $6 million to build up the entire model. Okay, so this is amazing. So that's why currently actually lots of stocks are down, like Nvidia's stocks are down, OpenAI stocks are down. Okay, so this is the website, guys. You can search for deepseek.com on the Google. So this is the first actually website. Even you can see the performance, okay, performance of the like model. Even they have also their documentation. So guys, I will create another video, so there I will show you how we can use this model through the API request and all. But in this video I will only show you the introduction part of the DeepSeek. Okay, so guys, you can see the entire benchmark. So they have already given the screenshot and all. Even they have also given the paper. If you're interested, you can also open the paper, you can also read. So I was exploring this DeepSeek, actually it's been 2 to 3 days, then I collected some of the screenshot. Let me show you. So you can see the, so here you can see the performance quality of the model. Okay, so here they have used different model and you can see the performance of DeepSeek. Okay, so here is the entire graph. Even you can see on top of the benchmark data, so this is the performance of the DeepSeek. Okay, and this is the performance of the OpenAI O1 model. Okay, you can see different data they used, like AI ME data, then math data, okay, then GPQA diamond data, live code bench data, and code force data. And guys, whenever I was exploring about this DeepSeek, I found one interesting actually concept, like the training concept of this DeepSeek. So I think you know that to train any kinds of like traditional large language model, we used to use something called supervised fine tuning approach. Okay, like we have to use some expensive super human supervised data, and on top of that we used to perform supervised fine tuning approach to train the entire model. But here DeepSeek doesn't need the supervised, okay, like human supervision. So instead actually it uses actually self reinforcement learning method to train the entire model. Okay, we call it as also pure reinforcement learning. So you can consider, let's say there is a child and he's in the kitchen. So let's say if you want to teach him, so definitely first of all you have to supervision him like how to cook and all. And on the other hand, let's say there is another children in the kitchen. Okay, now instead of supervisioning, okay, him, what you are doing, you are giving the entire cooking material and you are telling just try to cook and try to test. Okay, and if it is bad, then again try to improve the cooking. Okay, that means he's automatically learning, okay, by doing some experiment. So that's how actually DeepSeek also works. So it actually does different experiment with the help of this self super reinforcement learning technique, and it actually trains the entire model. Okay, I hope you got it. So now let's test this particular DeepSeek. So they have already created one web app. So let me show you. So if you want to start the web app, just click on the start now. For some people actually it might not work because it is still under actually maintenance actually, because of the huge public demand. So sometimes server is getting error. So if you're not getting the window guys, you have to wait for some time. And here you have to like create one account. So what you can do, you can sign up your Google account, okay, and with the help of that you can get this particular window. So I already signed up with my account, and here you can see the app, okay, app QR code also. If you scan, so you will be able to download the this application also, okay, on your smartphone. Now this is the like same interface as your chat GPT. So here you have actually two functionality. You can see DeepSeek R1. So it uses actually DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problem, and it can also perform the search operation on the web. That means it also use actually agentic AI approach. Let's say if you are asking something which is real time, okay, let's say real time information you are asking, it will search over the internet and it will give you the answer. Even you can also upload your documents. Let's say you can upload your document image, okay, anything you can upload, and you can also perform the query on top of that. So let's give one prompt guys here. So I have actually prepared some prompt. So let's say I'll give this prompt to my DeepSeek. So this is the prompt I prepared. Bappy has a glass containing 250 milliliters actually of cordial, okay, and bottle of containing 1 liter of water, and blah blah blah. So this is the like mathematical question actually I have given, and here I'm telling let's solve this step by step. For each step explain your thinking and show your calculation. Okay, now see, if I send this request, you will see that the response would be pretty good. Okay, see, step by step actually it is explaining, even it is solving that problem statement. Okay, so this is one of the amazing features even I liked. Then you can also perform the real-time source operation as I already told you, and you can give actually different prompt. You can generate actually different code. It is also possible. Let's say here I will give me Python code to perform image classification PyTorch. Okay, so this is my prompt. Now see, it will generate the code for you. And guys, the response time is a little bit slow because I told you like lots of people are using at the same time, and it is still under development. That's why their server is a little bit slow. So here you can see, here you are getting the entire code. So that's how we can play with this DeepSeek. So whatever things you used to perform with the chat GPT, now everything you can perform with the DeepSeek. And now there is no limit because it's completely open source and free, okay, for you. So you don't need to pay for this particular DeepSeek R1 model. Fine. And it is also available over the Hugging Face. Okay, so you can also download the model, but you can't actually download the model because the size of the model is very huge. And if you want to run in your machine, so you should have good configuration machine, okay, with a good graphics card and good actually memory, otherwise you won't be able to run. So what we can do actually, if I want to use this model inside our development, we can access this model through some API, right? So what I will do guys, I will create another video there. I will show you how we can access this DeepSeek model, and with the help of that actually how we can create some application. Okay, definitely I'll try to create that video. So yes guys, this was the like one of the amazing thing I wanted to let you know, because this is the like trending topic actually over the like social media right now. And please try to explore, just try to create one account in the DeepSeek and try to give your different prompt and just try to compare the response with the chat GPT. Definitely you'll be able to understand, okay, the performance of the model. So yes guys, this is the announcement, and let me know what is your think guys, whether this DeepSeek will impact in the future or not. Okay, so whether it will replace the human jobs or not. So definitely it will replace you. If you don't know about generative AI, if you don't know about artificial intelligence, definitely it will replace your job. So if you want to secure your job guys, start learning generative AI, start learning artificial intelligence, because it has the huge demand, okay, right now in the market. So if you don't know, still if you are doing some manual work, so definitely your job might be replaced. So try to start learning this gen AI, artificial intelligence and all, and definitely will be getting a good opportunity in the market. And if you want to learn about generative AI, if you want to learn about agentic AI, so I have lots of courses over the Uran platform, even on my YouTube channel also. Please check it out. Okay. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.